karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my Luminox Beer Grylls watch. So guys, before we open it, I would like you to have a look at the packing. Look at the box of this watch. So the box of this watch looks very tough. And guys, before I open it, I would like to tell you, like, I paid around 205 Omani Riyals for it, which is equivalent to about 540 American dollars. So guys, let us open it. And guys, here it is. So mine is black and yellow in color. So, and here in the box, it comes with the instruction manual, and it comes with the international warranty, and here is the warranty card, and you can also see the date of purchase. Just 3 days back I bought it. Okay, so guys, now let us take it out of the box and you can have a close look at it. So guys, this watch, the case material of this watch is very tough polycarbonate material. Okay, and the dial color, as I already told you, I already showed it to you, it is yellow in color. Okay, so which kinds of look makes this watch look very sporty. Okay, and the dial size of this watch is 45 mm, and it comes with very soft but very tough rubber strap, and the strap also has this removable compass on it. Okay, so you can simply pull it off and it will come out. Okay, so for the time being we'll keep it here. Okay, so, and guys, the glass of this watch is sapphire crystal, and it offers water resistance up to 300 meters. Okay, and if you look at the back of this watch, so you can see the punchline. Okay, Beer Grylls never give up, and it is written in very bright orange color. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much for it. So this is my Luminox Beer Grylls watch. Okay, so guys, before we end this video, like all my other videos, I'll wear it on my wrist so that you can see how it looks on the wrist. So guys, here is my favorite Casio G-Shock, and which I was wearing. Now let us try this one. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks on the wrist. And guys, compass is there, but it is not making the watch very uncomfortable, not at all. So it is very comfortable to wear, and it hugs your wrist very comfortably. Okay, so guys, this is our Luminox Beer Grylls watch. So guys, that's all for today. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos and all kind of stuff. So all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.